Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready to embark on your next adventure? Heading out on your dream vacation soon? Awesome! Whether it's a tropical getaway, a cultural city tour, or a mountain retreat, the excitement of a new journey is unparalleled. But before you jet off to paradise, let's talk about the 5 must-have items you absolutely need to pack. These essentials will ensure your trip is smooth and stress-free. Trust me, you don't want to be caught without these essentials. First up, a reliable travel adapter. Sounds basic, right? But it's a game changer. You'd be surprised how many folks forget this little lifesaver. Imagine arriving at your destination and realizing you can't charge any of your devices. Different countries have different outlets, and the last thing you want is a dead phone or laptop when you've got a full day of sightseeing ahead. It's not just about convenience, it's about staying connected and safe. Make sure it's a universal one so you're covered no matter where you land. Next, a good quality reusable water bottle. This is an absolute must. Staying hydrated is key when you're on the go. Plus, it's eco-friendly. You'll save money and reduce plastic waste. Many airports and cities have water refill stations, so you're not constantly buying plastic bottles. It's convenient and helps you stay refreshed. Go for one that's insulated to keep your drinks cool or warm depending on your needs. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or lounging on the beach, you'll appreciate having your favorite beverage at the perfect temperature. Third, pack a lightweight, portable charger. This is your lifeline. Your phone is your lifeline. Maps, translations, bookings, social media, it does it all. It's your navigator, translator, and entertainment hub all in one. The last thing you need is to run out of battery in an unfamiliar place. It can be stressful and inconvenient. A portable charger ensures you're always powered up and ready to roll. Number 4, a versatile scarf or shawl. This one's a real game changer. It can serve as a blanket on chilly flights, a cover-up at religious sites, or even an impromptu picnic blanket. It's multifunctional and stylish. Plus, it adds a touch of style to any outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or need an extra layer, a scarf is incredibly handy. Lightweight and easy to pack, it's a no-brainer. And finally, a small first aid kit. This is something you hope you never need but will be grateful to have. Accidents happen, and it's better to be prepared. A small kit can handle minor injuries and save you a trip to the pharmacy. Band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, these basics can save your trip from minor mishaps. It's all about peace of mind. You don't need a full-blown pharmacy, just enough to handle common issues. Think of it as your travel insurance for minor health hiccups. So, there you have it. 5 essential items to make your vacation smooth and stress-free. These items might seem small, but they can make a big difference. Don't forget to pack these and you'll be set for an amazing trip. Preparation is key to enjoying your travels to the fullest. Got any other must-have items? We'd love to hear your tips and tricks. Drop them in the comments below. Sharing is caring, and your advice could help fellow travelers. And hey, if you found this helpful, please subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. We're here to make your journeys as enjoyable as possible. Safe travels, everyone. Remember, the world is full of adventures waiting for you. Please subscribe for more. Your support helps us bring you the best travel content. Remember, please subscribe for more. Happy travels!